Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by loading your sample into Excel and labeling groups so formulas reference them cleanly. First, calculate basic summaries, equals average, equals stdev. S counts because they reveal spread and sample size. This matters for test choice. Once done, visually inspect histograms and quick variance checks to confirm assumptions. Then select the test. A two-sample t-test for comparing means, paired t-test for matched data, or chi-square for counts. This gets you ready to run Excel's analysis tools. You now execute the test using Excel's analysis toolpack or built-in functions so results are precise. If using data analysis, select the test, enter the two ranges, tick labels if used, set alpha like 0, 0, 5, and pick an output location. Once run, inspect t-statistic, p-value, and degrees of freedom to interpret significance. Make sure to cross-check with equals t. Test, range 1, range 2, tails, type, or equals z. Test when population sigma is known. This validates the toolpack output and guards. You finish by interpreting results and confirming conclusions so they're defensible. If p-value is below your alpha, reject the null and report the test statistic, p-value, and sample sizes. Otherwise, retain the null. Once done, add visuals, box plots, or error bar charts to show effect size and distribution. If numbers look off, make sure ranges and labels were correct, verify equal variance settings, and check for hidden blanks or text in numeric ranges. Correcting these fixes most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.